Today in this video, we will discuss Edward Jones CD rates for 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, and 14 months. We will cover fees, early withdrawal policies, grace periods, the pros and cons of Edward Jones CDs, and calculate how much money you can earn by depositing $1,000. So, let's get started. Edward Jones CD terms and rates. Edward Jones offers 10 CD term options, ranging from 3 months to 10 years. These CDs are brokered, meaning they usually offer competitive interest rates. You can see the exact terms and rates on your screen. Feel free to pause the video or take a screenshot for reference. Key details about Edward Jones CDs. Here are some important details to know. Term lengths. CD term lengths vary widely, allowing you to choose options that fit your savings goals. Interest rates. The rates are competitive compared to many other financial institutions. Minimum deposit. Edward Jones requires a minimum deposit, though this may vary depending on the CD. Edward Jones CD pros and cons. Pros. High interest rates. You can earn more compared to standard CDs from other banks. Variety of term options. Choose from short-term or long-term CDs based on your needs. No early withdrawal penalties. Unlike traditional CDs, Edward Jones CDs have no penalties for early withdrawals. FDIC insured. Your deposits are protected, giving you peace of mind. Cons. Potential loss on sale. If you sell your CD before it matures, you might lose money. No compounding interest. The interest earned does not compound, which can impact overall returns. Account requirement. You need an existing Edward Jones brokerage or bank account to open a CD. How much will you earn with $1,000? All Edward Jones CDs offer competitive rates, so your earnings will vary based on the term length. For example, the table on your screen shows estimated balances based on a $1,000 deposit. Feel free to pause the video for details. Hope you understand everything about Edward Jones CD rates. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. Thank you for watching.